So yesterday, well, I'm still in MU, Gold, and C. I entered some C yesterday. But today, the key thing will be to I Silver. Oh no, it's breaking down already. I'm hoping for the retest of the 102, and then hopefully we can build some positions there. Oh, wasn't the game so strong? But really, the setup was yesterday. And once that huge volumes confirming, yeah. So I'm very hopeful that this can go for a little while, crash against the 102, the 106, see the 5 minute chart. I'll be eyeing, yeah, the stock like really close. Nothing on the one. I wouldn't trade one at this point. We'll wait, but I still have entered pre-market also. Like once it goes like boom, boom, it's been crashing against this lower high, boom. That was the entry in pre-market. Was probably now. Yeah, I'm hopeful that it can go and reclaim some of this, maybe the 100. But it's failing. Oh my god, it's already failing. With a high volume. Yeah, I might enter now if it makes a lower low. The stop being $2.5 stop. Let's see if we can have some fun here. Yeah, it's gonna close. I'm waiting for the 5 minute though. Let's see how it goes. The volume is gigantic already at this time of the day, and we don't even been in the 5 minutes. So yeah, my stop will be a reclaim of the pre-market 101. Oh, 101. But the entry, yeah, it should have happened in pre-market. That lower high breaking down, then the flush. That's the entry. That should have been the entry now. And now you run, of the risk. We'll see. We shall see. The sorting is always harder. SLP. Yeah. I was even hoping for the reclaim again of the, maybe go up and, back to the 106 level. Yeah, we'll see. That's the 5 minute. That's the 1 minute. Yeah. See, it's gonna close through in 2 minutes for the close of the, and this is probably the only thing I'm gonna do. Just gonna keep an eye on gold here. Let's see, how the 5 minute closes. And then I might risk, because this is the same level, yeah, I might risk even less than that. If you close wick and we flush through this, I will give it a go. Yeah, the entries still have happened yesterday. Look at that. Look at the volume on the hourly. Gigantic volume on the hourly. This is weak structure short from Predict. First leg down, reclaim, try to retest, building lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. And then as and when it flushes here, that's your stop, more or less. Yeah, that's your stop. But we need to wait and see. for it to flush down. Lower, sorry, not down, lower. Mm, 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 mm. Mm. There we go. We got a fire. Lower highs, lower highs. Again, sorting is not my cup of tea. Hmm. She's gone. Nice. Hmm. Gold, still golden. Emil, yeah, that looks like a double top. Emil needs some time. SLB. I'm gonna send it to positions. 5 minutes. Let's wait and see. Now this is a waiting game. Hmm. Hmm. It's gonna squish. Squeeze, squeeze some more. Or maybe not. I don't know. Just en el vasito un poquito. Thank you, my love. Hmm. Yeah, it's gonna squeeze. That's why we always have to wait. It needs to, crash against some level. Like in pre-market, the 102, 62. That's why I put it here. That was one big level. It stay heavy around that level. And then of course the 106. But it's silver is so extended we might be talking easily 45, 40, 45%. Um next big. Yeah, I would say 35, 45%. 30 around 35%, I would say. Come back and retest. And the only time I try to touch these swords is when I see stuff like that. The last time I didn't take it, but the last time I saw it, it's a very nice. It's yesterday's open. But I think it's gonna, yeah, I think it's gonna go further. Like maybe the 102, or maybe we'll see. This is probably the only thing I'm gonna see. 2 minutes for the 5 minute close. Whoa, strong. What's the scan saying? Woo! Yield W. It's got earnings, yeah? Yeah, it has to have earnings. Those must be earnings. CILT drag manufacturer. Okay, MBS steel core. Core. Mm. Oh my Johnson and Johnson. Oh, don't think it's an A plus, but I will just label it as good. Green. But green to me is not A plus. Semi. Semi. BLT. Okay. Ooh, heavy. Again, against this. All right. Nothing can be done. To me, nothing can be done until this level gets smacked and crossed down. I don't know if I'm wrong. This is just my experience. I wouldn't take it till we should see that level flush. And then the risk, that's going to be the risk to me. 3.5%, 3.5%, $3.5. Yeah. So far, this is good, but this quickly could go like close like that. So I'll wait. One have to wait. But yeah, I'm gonna. It's a waiting game. It's a waiting game. Mm. I think we're gonna go higher before we go lower. Based on the heaviness in pre-market of that level, I think it's gonna be the 102.62. Yeah, we're going higher. Then hopefully wait for it to get stuff against this 102. Boom, boom, two, three times, and a lower high. Or maybe in Rome. We'll see. The first entry was yesterday. And then the second entry was during pre-market. I don't know if we can see it. Yeah, that was beautiful. Boom, flashing down. And then, of course, that's the risk, which is just 190. Wow, 2% risk. Wow. Yeah, that's crazy. Well, two and a half. Yeah, two and a half. Because I like to wait and see if we can retest the level. So, yeah, the waiting. Nothing to do yet for me. Hmm. I'm sure there's a lot of people short this stock. This is Jeff. There we go. 2 minutes for the close. I honestly think I think we're gonna go higher before we go lower. Yeah. We're also testing a round level, which is 100. That will also work. For short team, big round numbers work nicely. On the $100 mark, yeah, that could work also nicely. Adjusting, we're gonna go a little bit even further higher. That's it. Wait. All the waiting has to be done now. And see, it looks like we could go We aren't. I just love first of all, I love from C banks. I love the linearity of this stock. I think it's the best bank. And how it broke from this level, like super clean. Boom. Super clean breakout. And then we kept building. That also worked. Nice. And now we're building this good. To me, this is a great first leg. Beautiful. The numbers are good. We just had earnings, so that's out of the way. But we need to break the 116 level. There we are. There we are. And nothing to do now here. Oh, flush. Oh my god. It's flushing. Oh, before our eyes. Okay. Oh, that's why I think sorting is so much harder oh, than going alone. To me, it's just crazy. And these are the only time. Last time I saw one of these setups was with DJT, Donald J. Trump. Um, not that one. What was it? What was it? Ah, it was one of these days. Yeah, I don't remember now. Oh, that one. Yeah, that was the last time I saw it, and I didn't take it. And of course, you could have, it's a 41% risk. I mean, reward, or 34%, which is very good. That was the last time I saw this sort of, setup unfolds. And of course, oh, it's going fast. Okay, right. I'm gonna go. Give it a wide stop. Let's go for the short. I'm not using big size because I don't have conviction, but it's oof, Jesus Christ, it's flushing. Okay, let's go. That was quick. Yeah. And I will give it my sort will be sorry, my cover will be yeah, which is also the 50 is 101. We'll see how it works, how it pans out. Am I in the right? Am I in the wrong? We'll see. It's just the best setting for today. Look at that on the 50. And it's also round number. Let's not forget, this is the 99, 100. It's a round number. It's silver, which is super extended. I think it's good. The entry is good. What you're living is good also. And now to me, and I will just wait for, yeah, no more 26%, perhaps. Yeah. Feeling heavy. I really thought it was gonna go a little bit higher, but yeah, and it will still go high. Let's not forget 101. I've got my stop. I don't know. This is the 50. Also, it's gonna crash because the 50, because the 100, which is a round number. We'll see. But this could easily comes back. Play a little bit more with everyone, retest the previous high, and then sort go lower. It's a very tough. That's why my size is just small. Sorting is just well, super difficult to me. Mm, there we go. Come on. Okay, so far so good with the short. And now it's all about just letting the thing work and go. And now what is I'm just trying to work out what's the next. What is the next, area for 10%? We'll see. So far so good. I still cover some here. TSM, DR, delay reaction, TSM. Oh yeah, nice. But in this market, I'm not gonna try it. I'm not. Oh shit. Spy. Mhm. It's not tight, it's not glamorous, but yeah, we're going. We're going. Goal is heavy. This will, if it works out like I'm supposed to, this will be the first time I make money sorting a stock or an ETF. I think that's how good I am at sorting. Right. Now moving on to my APLDs. Very strong. But we have earnings. Oh no, we don't have earnings soon. Wow. Wow, APLD, long, long, long consolidation. What are the numbers on APLD? No, I close it. GLW, oops, 57, only 57. So the market is going, well, I'm tempted to, if I had to, and we were in a good market, this is a good place to buy weakness, pullback, the pullback play, which is the only thing that seems to be working in this market. And PL has been, it's been proving itself to be one of the most reliable stocks. I'm just, yeah. Semi start running. Yes, we start running. Sure. Integrated shipping and logistic. I have no idea. Semis. PL, yeah, aerospace and defense. But that's just, well, I'm honestly tempted to give it to the 20. Small size though, but SPY doing uh, might just pull back down. You know, that's where the range market has. I don't know if I had to choose something to buy, would be PL, like by far. Super, relative strength. Bellita. Se queda ahí Bellita. Ahí pensé que era así el sol. Sí, ahora ahí avanzó, ¿eh? AMAT, semis. Wow, semis are on fire. Semis are on fire. Purchase or not to purchase? That's the question. I will have like to see more um tightness and more consolidation, but yeah. Silver now. If we get crash against the 10 and the 20, we would like to see, some more, 10 and 20 retest failing after a while the lower. Emu, if you thought Emu was dead, Jesus Christ. Okay, I think I'm gonna stay. I'm gonna leave it here. Go study some this afternoon. No more time. The positions are doing okay. They all right. GLW, Jesus, that's an EP. Probably electronic components. Well, that was AP. Big base. That was the EP, and then you track, and trades and so every time you see a pullback, especially against the 10 and the 20s, it's the clear buy. The clear buy, if you didn't know, that was the clear buy. For example, that's fairly clean. Fairly clean. That was nice. And once it goes a little bit further up. But best on a pullback, which was also rate expansion and on volume, is that day. This PL. Okay. Um, yeah. Parentalissime. All right. There we go. Sorry. Thanks